Luminaries like Ray Kurzweil and Peter Diamandis tell us humanity is on the brink of major advancements, thanks to the exponential progress of technology, especially in the areas of artificial intelligence, biotech, and even space travel. But what exactly do they mean by exponential? To illustrate, it's said that a king once promised to reward a wise man with rice. The man requested just 1 grain on the first square of a chessboard, and then to double it on each square thereafter. The king thought it was a modest request, but by the time he reached the 64th square, the amount of rice was over 18 quintillion grains. This is the power of exponential growth. It starts out deceptively small, but quickly reaches mind-blowing levels. If it were possible to fold a piece of paper in half just 50 times, doubling its thickness with each fold, the paper would reach a height that stretches beyond the sun, over 93 million miles. That's the power of exponentials. 50 linear steps will get you about half a block. But 50 exponential steps will take you beyond the sun. In the 1800s, aluminum was more valuable than gold. Napoleon even reserved aluminum cutlery for his most honored guests, while others had to settle for gold. But with the advent of electrolysis, a new technique to extract it, this rare metal quickly became cheap and abundant. Today, aluminum is so common we use it to wrap our leftovers. This illustrates how a breakthrough technology can rapidly shift the status of a resource from scarce to abundant. We can see this today in the exponential advances of computer processors, famously captured by Moore's law. Gordon Moore observed that the number of transistors on a chip doubles approximately every 2 years, resulting in more powerful, efficient, and cheaper computing. This has driven the explosive growth in technology we've experienced over the last few decades. From the first bulky computers to today's ultra-fast smartphones. For example, the computing power of your smartphone today is millions of times greater than what NASA used to land the first man on the moon. Today, exponential technologies like AI, robotics, and 3D printing are rapidly democratizing access to resources that were once scarce. This means that our world is on the brink of transformations we can barely imagine. Today, as Kurzweil puts it, we're living in an era of accelerating returns. What might seem impossible right now could become routine tomorrow. The exponential advance of technology promises a future of abundance, innovation, and possibilities we haven't even thought of yet.